welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the cruise control switch on a Toyota. Now this is a 2018 Toyota Rav4, but procedure is going to be very similar for other models as well. So what you want to do is first you want to drive vehicle with the wheels straight, steering wheel on center, then turn it 90 degrees to the left so your steering wheel is at this angle. And then the next thing is you want to remove the key from the ignition, turn off the ignition. Next, pull the hood release to the left there, go to the battery, loosen that 10mm nut, don't remove it completely, just pull the cable from the terminal post, and that will disconnect the battery. Then you want to wait 10 minutes before you start working on the airbag. After 10 minutes is up, come here and press the horn a couple of times. Make sure any current that's the airbag or electrical system is discharged. The airbags are dangerous. They can deploy and cause injuries and death if they accidentally deploy. And next you want to remove the airbag, and to remove the airbag what you'll need to do is you need a flathead screwdriver, and you have a hole right to the side here. You have a hole right here, it goes at this angle, and then you have a hole that's right comes right at the back here. That's why you want to turn the steering wheel at an angle so you can expose that back hole. Now your Toyota might be slightly different, might have holes on the sides here, and you don't need to turn it to the side. That's great, but if you have this steering wheel, you're gonna have to have this turned 90 degrees to the left to release the airbag. So I'm gonna have the airbag removed. I'm gonna show you where what you'll be pressing to release the airbag. It's a lot easier to show you with the airbag removed. So right here you have a hole here. You'll be pushing on that spring, you can see that will really release the airbag at this corner. Then you'll come here and you're coming at an angle here. This one is a little bit more tricky, okay, and then as you can see you'll be trying quite a bit here to find that spring, and you'll feel the resistance, and that's gonna release right there. And then at the back you're coming straight this way. I'm moving the screwdriver up to push down on the spring. Let me show you. Okay, so that will release that. You're gonna hold the airbag with your hand, and then on the back you're gonna have these. This airbag was previously deployed, so this is damaged, but you don't want to damage these connectors. You want to pull this centerpiece off first and then pull this, and then the same thing with the orange one. When you reinstall them, you can't really mix these two up. They don't fit, they don't interchange. So put that to the side, the horn wire, pull that to the side, and then you have the cruise control switch is right here. Now this, if you look on the side, there's a trim piece that you can simply just pull it off. And now your model might or might not have this, but remove that. You push that out from the inside. Just holds with these clips right here, and that's it. Now you have two Phillips screws, one there and one there. One of these screws are off. You want to be careful so that doesn't fall down there, because now we have to use a magnetic pickup tool to pick that off. But once that's off, then you can take the cruise control and then pull that off, fish that through, and that's it. You don't need to disconnect this end. You can disconnect it right here, and there's your cruise control switch. Then you reconnect everything, reassemble it in reverse, put this back there, put the two screws in. You want to have this electrical connector connected before you push that in. It's a little bit hard to put that through. And then put the screws there, reconnect this over here where it's plugged in. Then you're going to take the airbag, connect the wires on the back and the horn. Make sure you press the center pieces back in to lock them. Then take the airbag and press it, and that will lock in place. Then go ahead and reconnect the battery, and your cruise control should work. These cruise controllers don't really need any programming. They're pretty simple, easy to replace. It'll take about 30 to 45 minutes to replace this. The hardest part of this job is getting this airbag off, and the cruise control is pretty simple, straightforward. And that's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.